Hey family, this is Addie P and welcome to another video. If this is your first time on my channel, I share my tips and tricks, my journey on Merch by Amazon. I give you the lowdown, everything from keyword research to how I build my listings, and most importantly, it's all for free. I don't charge you anything. Why should you subscribe to my channel? I've sold over 30,000 products so far. I've made over 85k in royalties. I've sold over 30k in products. And I'm in tier 20k as of the time of making this video. If you like what you hear, make sure you subscribe because I'll be dropping some crazy content, and most importantly, all for free. It won't cost you a penny, but the benefit will be absolutely tremendous. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into it. After reading a lot of the comments on my YouTube channels and Facebook groups, a lot of people want to know what the tools that I use in my daily workflow. So I've decided to make this video especially for that. I'll give you the lowdown on everything that I use, tools that help me with organization, analysis, design, research, etc, etc. I hope you find some value in this video. Let's go! So guys, I'm going to categorize the tools that I use into various different categories. The first category I'm going to talk about is the analytics category. And by far the best extension for analytics is Pretty Merch right here that you can see in front of you. It's a beautiful dashboard for Merch by Amazon. It updates as you sell and it gives you notifications as soon as the sales come in. And you know, when you hear the ching, it sounds really nice. What's really good is it gives you lots of metrics that you can use to track your performance, and that's what I do all the time. It's really important to track your performance, and this tool does it all. Most importantly, it does it all in real time, so you don't have to keep refreshing. What I'll do is I'll go into my account right here and I'll show you what it looks like. So it does have two plans. You've got the normal and you've got the pro. I went in for the pro because it gives you a lot more flexibility. So here in the dashboard, it shows you your tier level, shows you if items are under review, processing or rejected. In the main dashboard right here, you can see the total sales for the day. You could see the date here, how many sales you sold, how many cancelled, how many returned, and your royalties. And here you could see today's sales. Scroll down, all of that. You could see top units sold and you can see top royalties as well. And here it gives you this beautiful graph whereby you could see how many you sold in each day. You could also see how much royalties you've made from each day, which is brilliant. So it saves you having to go to the analyze section of Merch by Amazon, which I find really, really daunting. And here you could see your sales for yesterday, sales in the last 7 days, royalties and products sold and all of that. You can see the month, the previous month, and all time. And when you dig in here, you could see lots more analytics and things like that, which I'm not going to go into. Lots of analytics in here so you can dig deeper and dive deeper into, what you want to find out. And in this section, there's lots more coming soon as well. And here it shows you the USA market, the UK market, and the German market as well. The second tool that I use for analyzing my performance is none other than Merch Inform and Merch Analytics. So you click here on this module. So what you do here is you upload the CSV file that you've downloaded from the Analyze page on Merch by Amazon, and it analyzes everything for you. You could check last week, last month, last 3 months, year, and all as well. A very handy tool to have. Now, the main extensions that I use in my daily workflow that help me to research are as follows. So the first one is Merch Research, free. I use this quite a lot. And the way to use this, guys, is you go to, let's say you want to go to Amazon and you want to search a niche, for example. Now this extension helps you find just Merch by Amazon t-shirts. So you want to cut out all of the other products such as FBA and Teespring stuff. You want to just find Merch by Amazon t-shirts. And this is the way you do it, guys. Once you've added it to Chrome, what you do is, let's say you want to find, t-shirts for nurses. Okay, so nurse. What we do is right click. We go down, Merch Research free, show all Merch by Amazon. And it shows you just Merch by Amazon stuff, right? It doesn't show you any FBA, which is really good. And the second thing you can do is you could actually see if this word here is trademarked, and it sends you right into the records of USPTO. Really useful feature. Now this is the free version, but it does have a paid version as well, which has additional features. Another extension that I found really, really useful in terms of finding BSRs really quickly is this one right here, DS Amazon Quick View. So when you want to go into Amazon search page and you want to find out BSRs of t-shirts, it shows them to you right here. You don't have to click and check for BSRs one by one because that would be very time consuming and it's not the way you want to spend your time. And you're also able to, when you're hovering, you could actually check the date this design was created, and it shows you the BSR categories, lots of different things. In terms of research tool, I'm sure you've heard of this awesome tool called Merch Informer. It does come in with lots and lots of modules right here, and it's really value for money, if I'm honest with you. Definitely get it because it will make your life so much easier, and time is money, right? You will save a lot of time with this tool. So I'll go briefly over the tools that it has. So firstly, it comes with a lot of tutorials, so you could check how to use each and every single module in this tool. This tool right here is Merchant Search. So you could check a brand name, and it comes with all of the products under that brand name. We've got Product Search, and it comes with lots of designs that are under that keyword. And what it does is it categorizes them based on BSR. So it shows you the lowest BSR first, and so on and so forth. You could do a search based on marketplace and different categories as well. You could also ask it to search just in the title. The next module is the Merch Hunter. What this Merch Hunter is it allows you to check the best-selling shirts basically. You could do top 100 up until top 1000 in whatever marketplace, and you can ask it to search between 1 and 100,000 sales rank or 100,000 sales rank and above. You could check just for shirts or pop sockets. You could ask it to search based on a particular price, and you could add keywords to narrow down your search as well. Feature of favorites is really good because it allows you to add to favorites any products that you found inspiring for you, that you want to get some inspiration from. The next module is Competition Checker. In this module, you just add a keyword and do a search. So let's say you search for mom shirts. It tells you how many products are estimated to have this keyword. It just gives you a bunch of statistics really about competition, and it gives you a total score. And here it shows you bestsellers under that keyword as well. The next module is Keyword Finder. You could enter a root keyword and it gives you a bunch of other stuff. So for example, mum shirts, we'll just search for, so we'll search inside Amazon US. It gives you a bunch of different keywords that you could get inspired by. And it shows you search volume, cost per click, competition, and you could save, you could actually go to product search, you could add to favorites, you could go to the keyword finder, or you could dig deeper and find out a bit more details. This is where you find your favorite keywords, and they are ranked alphabetically as well. The next one is listing optimizer. So you've got listing score checker, just enter an ASIN keyword, do a search, and you've got listing score checker. And you've got synonym suggest. So you just enter a keyword, for example. So let's say mum, do a search and see what it comes up with. Mama, mummy. Really good tool if you want to come up with a bunch of other keywords to use. So the next module is trademarks. We've got trademark alerts. All you do is you insert a phrase or word and save it, and it updates every single day. As soon as that word or phrase becomes trademarked, you'll get notified instantly so that you can go and remove that keyword from your merch listing. Really handy feature right there. In the pro subscription level, by the way, you get 8,000 slots. So that's a bunch of phrases. That's a lot of phrases and keywords to enter in there. The next one is Trademark Hunter. Here also you enter your trademarks that you want to check for, and it checks it for you every single day as well. The next one is Merch Tracker. So Merch Tracker allows you to enter an ASIN right here. You save it and then you add a keyword, and it tracks how that shirt ranks for that keyword, which is awesome. Next tool is Merch Archive, which I use quite a lot. It allows you to check any date. So let's say we'll check for today, the 20th. We'll do a search, and it basically shows you bestsellers that have sold in that timeline. And what's awesome is you could go as far as I think November or October 2017. So let's say we want to search for what was selling in November 2017. This is what was selling. In case there is a trend you want to enter, you could check what was selling the previous year and then make your decisions based on that. The next tool I use is Keyword Cloud as well. If you want to check high traffic keywords on Amazon in any date, this is perfect. Let's say we want to check high traffic keywords for Monday, the 20th of May, like that, and it comes up with all of these keywords. Well, you could use these keywords in your listings. You could use them for research purposes to see, what kind of niches you can get into. Because bearing in mind, these keywords are what Amazon customers are typing into the search box. So you could use them to your advantage basically that way. Trend Tracker, you've got the movers and shakers. Basically here you could see fluctuations in BSR. Daily, weekly or monthly. When you see a downward trend like that, that means a shirt has sold, because you could see the BSR was 6 million and it became 1 million, and then it went up and then it went down. So as soon as it goes down, that means there's a sale. So there's a sale right there, there's a sale right there, there's a sale right there. And I'll just check what kind of niches are doing well. It just gives me ideas about niches to look into that are selling at that moment. And then it would be a start to my research right there. Then I'll dig deeper into Amazon itself. And now this new module called Trend Tracker. This is awesome because you could see what has been selling consistently over a period of time. So you could see what has been selling over 1 month, over 2 months, or over 3 months consistently. And that has an average BSR of between 0 and 100,000, 200 and 300,000, 300 and 500,000 respectively. This is awesome because it allows you to identify evergreen niches that way. So let's say we do a search like that, comes up with these designs. You don't want to copy these designs, you want to go into the niche itself and see how you can come in with a new concept. Up next is Social Hunter. You enter a keyword and you can do search on Etsy or Pinterest and you could see what's popular in there. Really awesome feature as well. And Merch Analytics, we spoke about that already. So all in all guys, honestly, Merch Informer is a super awesome tool. I use it all the time. It's my main tool in my arsenal of tools. And what I love about it is it's always adapting to the Merch by Amazon ecosystem. So whenever Merch by Amazon comes up with something, Merch Informer follows suit and they make changes that are necessary to make sure that Merch Informer is always adapting to Merch by Amazon. Highly recommended for anyone that doesn't have it. Go ahead and get a subscription right now because you'll be leaving money on the table if you don't. I'm going to leave a link in the description for everything that I'm going to be talking about. But most importantly, I've got a 20% discount for Merch Informer. So if you guys want to use my coupon code Addie, that's ADDIE, I'm going to leave a link in the description. I'm going to leave the coupon code there as well. So go ahead, fill your boots. The next tool, guys, that I use for my research is simply Amazon. So I just go into Amazon, I check different niches in there, I dig deeper and deeper and deeper. If you guys haven't seen my video where I'll show you how one shirt made me $8,000 in royalties, definitely check it out. I also show how I use Amazon specifically to get into niche research. So definitely check it out. I'm going to leave an info card up there, so check it out. Other tools that I use are Jungle Scouts Pro extension. Awesome extension that allows you to check for keywords and lots of different things. I use a website called TwinWord, which allows you to check for keywords. LSI Graph for keywords as well. Google and Google Trends, of course. Keyword Everywhere, an awesome extension which allows you to check for keywords, their ranking, shows you CPC, which is cost per click as well, and the volume of search per month. So definitely check it out. And integrates beautifully with Amazon, so it shows you how many searches are being done on Amazon for that particular keyword. Definitely highly recommended. I also use Scientific Seller for keyword research. If you guys haven't seen my video where I talk extensively about keyword research and I talk particularly about these tools and I'll show you how I work them, definitely check it out. I'm going to leave it up there in the info card, guys, for you. I also use Instagram for research, believe it or not. Pinterest and Etsy, they're absolutely amazing for finding new niches, new trends to get into. In terms of trademark research, I use the USPTO website and I also use Merch Informer trademark protection, which integrates beautifully with Merch by Amazon and it allows you to check for trademarks in your listing. For that tool alone, I'll definitely pay for Merch Informer subscription because that's your protection right there. That's your Merch by Amazon account. You know, you want to keep it safe and that tool allows you to do that. In terms of design, I use Illustrator, Photoshop, and I use Procreate with iPad Pro as well. And believe it or not, I also use Merch Informer Designer to resize pop sockets and hoodies. And just today, I think they came out with some amazing new features which allow you to create scaled designs. So definitely check that out. In terms of uploading and speeding up my uploads, I use exclusively Merch Informer Lister because it allows you to upload so many designs with a click of a button. So in the beta, you can literally upload 10 uploads with a click of a button. If you're wondering how I can upload 1,000 designs in a day, this is your answer right there. I use Merch Informer Lister. 100% check it out because it will save you a lot of time. And in terms of organization tools, because now I have over 15,000 designs live, it's really hard to keep track of everything. So one tool that really helps me with organization is Merch Wizard. Definitely check it out because you can, change your pricing on the fly. You can do lots and lots of different things that you wouldn't be able to do just with having Merch by Amazon dashboard. And it also really helped me identify things that I want to change. It really helped me lately when we had to change the rose gold and things like that for pop sockets. Within a matter of seconds, you were able to identify the listings that have infringing keywords and you can find and replace them completely. So awesome. Merch Wizard integrates with a software called Airtable, and that's the database basically, which then allows you to save your data in there. With Merch Wizard, literally with a single click of a button, you can back up all of your listings in the database and you can relist them whenever they go down. You can do so many awesome things that would literally take days to do. You can do it in a matter of minutes or hours. Highly recommended. Definitely check it out, guys. The great news is I've managed to get you 10% discounts on both the monthly and yearly subscription. So make sure you check out the coupon code. I'm going to leave it down below in the description. There's lots of other tools that I use, but these are the main ones that will get you to a flying start, and that's more than enough for anyone working on merch. I really hope you found this video informative. If you like this content, make sure you give us a nice thumbs up, comment, and definitely subscribe, because I'll be dropping some amazing content, stuff that you wouldn't find anywhere, and always staying very transparent with you guys. I'll always give you everything that I personally use, everything that I personally do on a daily basis, because I want you to succeed and I want every single person watching my channel to succeed. All you gotta do is follow what I show you here, work hard, work smart, and you will be successful. Trust me. You just gotta put in the work, you just gotta stay focused and believe in yourself. We'll leave it on this positive note. It's been great chatting to you, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.